皆さん、こんにちは。JST です。Today, we're gonna see Kamen Rider Gacha episode 15 updates. So let's do one by one. Number 1. Kamen Rider Super Gacha Cross X-Rex debut. I think this powered form is better than UFO-X. What do you guys think? Leave a comments below. And it's Henshin by the X-Rex card. Number 2. Winter movie scenes. And here are some new scenes. Can I take a look? And rename with the Chemy. Number 3. New card. Ancient Chemy. Number 4. Kamen Rider Gacha episode 15 preview. So here are some scenes. Can you take a look? Okay, here are the quick updates for today. So what do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Alright, so today we got sharing thanks for the first my channel and see you next time. Ciao, matane.
You never guess. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to